Hi, so this is a screencast on how to create a screencast, which allows you to have a virtual classroom from home or from any other location that you find comfortable. And that's a really important thing to note here. I am doing this in a comfortable space. I am at home. I'm able to provide the support to students. And that said, I do have my window open. There could be some noise coming from outside my door or through the window, and that is just okay. We're not making movie quality recordings here. The students will understand, and it is very similar to what might happen at school, where there is noise from the yard, other classrooms, or any other interruptions that might happen. So just go forward with it. If there is a noise, have some fun. The students are just going to appreciate you supporting them. So I'm using something called screencastomatic. And so I will access it here. And what's nice about screencastomatic is it gives me some features where I can go from you viewing me and my tab to just viewing me if that's what's important, and then switching to just the tab. So I really like that feature. It is also easy to use, free, and you could sign in with your Google account. So I've typed in screencastomatic into my browser. I can go to the site. When I'm at the site, I will click on log in. So I'm already logged in. You would simply click log in, and once you log in, you will be able to sign in with your Google account. I select my Google account, and then I would just download the install file. Now I've already downloaded it to make things move a little bit faster here. Once it is downloaded, you can open it. So I have it in my downloads folder. I'm going to open it. If I wanted to, I can drag it into my applications, which then makes it easier to then view through my Launchpad, which is your silver rocket launcher on the bottom, if you have it, or maybe on the side. Then I could see Screencast-O-Matic showing up there. So to record, I would simply click on Start Recorder. I'm already recording, so if I did click it, it would say you already have a session open. And then once it starts recording, I'm able to select whether I want my face or a full image from the camera, both my tab or the camera, and the camera, or then just the tab. When I'm done, on the bottom left-hand side, I'll see a pause button in red. It's showing me the time as well. You could click pause, then gives you the option to stop the recording, edit the recording if you needed to, and it's very basic editing, and then sharing it. So I can save it to my computer and then upload it to Google Drive. Google Classroom then is an easy way to share it, or I can share it through my class YouTube account. So if you need any further support with it, please let me know, or Bruce. It is one of our upcoming iSpace sessions, so November 27th, we'll have Screencasts 101 and 201 to meet everyone's needs. Please reach out, email me if you need any further support. I look forward to supporting you with your virtual classrooms. Thank you.